Hello friends who like to find a better way. In this video, I am going to show you a slick little tool to grab a custom color. So for example, maybe you're creating a PowerPoint presentation and you want to grab your organization's or the organization's unique colors. So if you have your organization's hex colors, you can click on this drop down arrow, go to more colors, custom, and type in whatever that hex number is so that you have your branding standards, your guidelines in play for your PowerPoint. But if you're like me, sometimes I create procedures or PowerPoints for other organizations and I don't know their hex numbers. I don't have access to those. So I cheat. And to cheat, in this case, let's say this is my welcome slide. And I would like for that to be bold, but I'd like for it to be maybe my color green. So I, of course, do have my hex numbers available, but let's pretend I don't, or I'm not with them. I can't get my hands on them quickly. I'm going to click on this drop-down arrow, and I'm going to choose this other option called Eyedropper. I'm telling you, this is the coolest. I'm going to click on this eyedropper. I'm going to hover over the color that I want to grab. I'm going to click on it. And what it's done is it's picked up the green from my logo and applied it to my font color. And now when I click on my drop-down arrow, that green is going to be available to me in this presentation because it's one of my recent colors. But if you're trying to match something that you've seen on the website, on a website, you can grab that picture, bring it in here. This is exactly what I've done for clients, is I'll go to their website, I'll grab their logo, I'll put it in PowerPoint, and then I'll choose a font to match that matches their logo. It's all with the client's permission, of course. Like it's okay that I'm doing this, but if you're trying to match a specific color, that little eyedropper tool is the best. So let's just keep doing this, and let's just say, you know, I'm gonna introduce me a little bit. I'm gonna introduce you, have you introduce yourselves, and then I'm going to introduce this workshop, whatever that might be. Let's say I would like for this to be blue. I would like for it to be my organization solutions blue. I'm going to select that formatting, click on the drop down arrow, choose eyedropper. Now hover over the blue, whether it's here or here. And now it has turned my text into my blue. So that's the eyedropper tool. That went faster than I even expected. I want to point out though, that if you're working in Word, you don't have the eyedropper tool available to you. So let's just keep with those same words, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I've got welcome. I select welcome. I click on the drop-down arrow, and so sad, I don't have the eyedropper color. So what do? I cheat. I will come into PowerPoint really quick, do what I want to do here, copy it, go back into Word, and now I can paste it. Now it pasted into my Word formatting, but if I choose my drop-down arrow at my paste options box, I can say, nope, I wanted to keep the source formatting. So I'm going to click keep source formatting. So now I've got my green in my Word document. This might be a little bit big, so I'm going to change it to, you know, human size. We'll keep it at 18. That's a little big too, but we'll keep it there. So I can change the size, but I've got my color green. So that's how, if I want to have my specific colors in a Word document, I just kind of have to step out into PowerPoint really quick so I can use the eyedropper tool there and paste it into Word. But that's the eyedropper tool, how you can get custom color in PowerPoint or Word, or I'm sure really any other Microsoft Office program you might be using. I hope it helps. And of course, if it does, please leave a comment or like the YouTube video. Let me know that this has been an aha for you. And of course, I'd love for you to consider subscribing to my YouTube channel or subscribe to my newsletter where you'll get these kinds of aha tips delivered directly to your inbox. Thanks again for watching. I hope it helps.